What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can work with me and learn the most out of it. You feel me? So for this beat, I want to use a guitar loop or something, but I found out this cool website and this cool company called Session Loops. It's like a website and company that helps you to create your own loops based on grooves, effects, chord changes, and all that good stuff. So we're just going to take a look at it and make a fire loop with it. They got some guitar packs right here. That is what we need today. And then also some synth packs right here. They got synth presets for Serum, so that is super fire in my opinion. This pack right here caught my eye immediately. Illusion upside down. So we're just going to take a look at that. Super fire, bro. It's super high quality, these loops. It's just insane. But you can even build your own loops using the grooves and the riffs and the licks from the guitars and stuff. You can even share the loops and the presets you made with your friends or on social media, and for every stream you get 1 credit, so you can download some other fire loop or something from your fellow beat maker. But so right here I'm just going to go through these grooves. Yeah, kind of like this one. So just drag that in there, and as you can see right here, you can see the chords you are playing. You can even change the chords as well. That way it will sound different, like that. So you can just keep on changing it until you're satisfied. So right now it sounds like this. You can just go crazy with this, bro. You can also change the BPM of it if you want it to go faster. Also the key, I want minor, E minor, like that, and it just changes the whole melody, the whole vibe. So that is super fire, bro. Really, bro, I wouldn't share this if this was not fire, bro. Make sure to go test it out. The link is in the description. They got a 14 free day trial for you to test out this super saucy website and chord maker, melody maker. So bro, go check it out. I'm just cheering up when hearing this melody. We just made it so easily. This website is just super user friendly. I bumped up the BPM to 140 and then I just dragged it out. Just here, what I want to do is make a variation maybe, so that way it is not too boring. We can maybe delete this one. Bro, that is just beautiful. Let's just add some counter melodies. Let's open up Serum. And these need to go here. Oh, bro, this be finna be fired. Gee. So I just made this one unique, and it's just following the same pattern right here and right here. And with the second pattern, it's just a little switch up right here. Alright, let's add some delay to these keys. So I'm just going to go duct tape, ducking around like this. And I want to go double ping pong. Let's see how this sounds. Let's add one last sound just to layer the chords. Let's see how it sounds when I drag down the sample rate. So right here and then 1000 resample and drag that in there just for like a little switch up right here. All right, that sounded fire, bro. I'm just going to add the drums right now. I already got some type of drums in my head. Okay, I see the bounce is there, Now the hardest part and my least favorite part about making drill beats is the 808. The 808 slides go crazy, bro, not gonna lie. This will probably take some time, so I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Right here for like the bridge, I want like a different type of 808, so let's just head over to the J Cactus Vault kit. Let's just add some reverb to this and some delay. Right here, I want like a little reverb tail on the 808. I really love how the beat is sounding, bro. I can definitely hear like maybe Central Cee on this one, like some summer vibes, some summer drill. Drill doesn't always have to be like violent and stuff, so we bring in the good vibes to the channel, you feel me? But yeah, make sure to go check out Session Loops. They're super fire. We made this loop in like what, 5 minutes, and we made like a super fire beat with it, so make sure to go check them out. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I would appreciate that. that, make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.